Bambi down there to the left. And this is absolutely Faline. You can see the dark cross on top of her head, although it's even darker in real life. She is much darker than what this camera makes any of them look. You can see the dark cross on top of her head and a dark snout. Hi, Faline. Hi, darling. I confused you for someone else earlier, but I figured I was wrong because that deer, though it had a dark snout and a dark line on top of its head, didn't have the cross. Well, you can see it plainly there. Look at that. I should never mistake anyone else for you because you're the only one that has that. It's okay, darling. It's okay. Aw. She's not usually quite so nervous either. It's okay. There's nothing over there. I don't know what you're looking at. It's okay. It's okay. I don't know why she keeps looking over there. There is nothing there. And Bambi. Hopefully he'll come